Welcome back to HLN After Dark. Yeah, it's After Dark. It's After Dark in Maricopa County. It is late. The judge is going all night, 4 months, and now we're pulling an all-nighter with this jury.
Our jurors are able to leave when they want to, unlike the jury there in Maricopa County.
And it's getting late here. We're staying with the jury all night long. I got some coffee for our defense team here.
They want to get to bed. They got closings tomorrow.
Closings tomorrow at noon. Thanks so much to our jury for hanging out late. This is it, folks. This is the end of the Jodi Arias case, the end of the evidence. Can I propose a toast?
We'll start at 9:30, but I would like you to be here at 9:15. Have a nice evening. Drive safely.
Wow. It's a sir rebuttal witness.
Point do you say, I got to go, let's get out of this, let's give it to Juan Martinez, move on?
I think we're already past that point. They should have been very surgical in all of the rebuttal. Every single part of the rebuttal case, get in, hit the points, and get out. Let the jury go home. Let's do closings in a proper time format.
That's what rebuttals are.
Right. You know what? Wait, that's it for the sidebar. Let's go back to Vinny.
Yep, sidebar's over. Let's get you right back inside.
In closing argument.
Monica's shaking her head.
Right,
because we have heard all of this over and over and over. And oh my goodness, it was a typo. That's it. Case is done. Not guilty. There we go.
Well, but her point, but
yeah, a lot of sidebars. Our jury had to bail, you know, because this thing's going late. Their jury is staying there. Guys, what do you...
Dark, I'm here in the dark side, in the midst of our defense team. As we walk
right over here. We call this 6 lawyers watching a trial.
And that's what we're doing. We're watching all the testimony. Let's get you back inside. This is it, folks. This is the end of the Jodi Arias case, the end of the evidence, and you'll see it all. Welcome back to HLN After Dark. Can I propose a toast? The sidebar is over. Let's go back inside the courtroom. $117,500 is how much he gets paid, Monica. Is that a lot?
Well, compared to Juan Martinez, he gets paid $130,000 a year.
Juan Martinez?
Yes.
After how many years in business, though?
He's been, I think, 27 years, and this doctor was, what, 35 years?
Let's give some perspective, because you guys are all, like, in private practice.
I mean, are they really taking this in and going to bring that into deliberations?
I think they took it in the first time and the second time, but now we're on about the 5th time, so it's too much, too late. They're tired. They've been going for a long time. Just let it go.
The sidebar is over. The sidebar is over. Let's get back in the court.
I mean, it was very efficient. The judges, it was very well timed. He took control. This should never happen.
We're not efficient in Maricopa County.
No? This is how it's done?
Clearly.
So wait.
Back inside the courtroom. Another question from the jury. And that's the amazing thing. Despite how long all this is taking, the jury is still focusing, searching for the truth here.
I think it's a good one. And you know what? That's what one of our jurors said earlier, Joey Jackson. This might be tough, might be long, but jurors know how important this is.
They do. It's about justice, about being right, and I think they're going to do that.
So, haven't we seen such a great example of lawyers losing the forest for the trees, having to feel like they're winning every point, even at the risk of losing the bigger battle, which is trying to grab the hearts and mind, the attention of those jurors? It seems like there's so much nitpicking, battling that's just unnecessary from a tactical and strategic standpoint.
Yeah, sometimes it's lawyers, unfortunately. Never concede anything. All right, we'll be back. Testimony continuing. Another question from jury, then should wrap up, and then one more witness. Welcome back to HLN After Dark. Watching what's happening in Maricopa County. You're not missing any of the testimony. Let's go inside the courtroom. It looks like the jury has another question for Dr. Horn. All right. 2 down tonight, 1 more to go. The final witness in the case. But Wilmot actually made a good point there.
A typo. I don't know. I think it goes to Darren's point. Lawyers trying to win every point.
Yeah, and ultimately, is that really where the case is? Although that bit about the bullet traveling through the brain and
it's something.
It's significant.
It's something.
I'm sure we've not heard the last of it. We're going to hear that come back in closing argument.
Monica's shaking her head.
Right,
because we have heard all of this over and over and over. And oh my goodness, it was typo. That's it. Case is done. Not guilty. There we go.
Well, but her point, but hang on, but it's a serious case, it's a capital case. That's the bit of foundation that she was trying to lay and wasn't able to do so. No, but that in a capital case, you expect that.
All right, welcome back to HLN After Dark special edition tonight. Staying up until we show you all the testimony from Maricopa County. The Jodi Arias trial, all the evidence is in. Bottom line, this is the last witness. Believe it or not.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. So let's get back inside the courtroom to take a look at the last witness. All right, we're 10 hours away from closing arguments in the Jodi Arias trial, but right now we're still working our way showing you the last witness on the stand, the end of the evidence. It's a sir rebuttal witness. Ryan Smith is here, Joey Jackson, Monica Lindstrom from Arizona, Darren Kavanoki from California, John Phillips from Florida, all here as we watch what's happening here. And Ryan, 10 hours away from closing arguments. And it was a long day leading up to it.
Oh, yeah. And imagine if you're Juan Martinez and you're going to go through this witness, you're going to go home, you're going to turn it around in 5 or 6 hours and deliver that big closing argument.
That's coming up, and you'll see it on HLN right now, though. Let's get you back into the courtroom so you can watch the last witness in the Jodi Arias trial.
This test includes some summary sales, correct?